Question 14. Which components would be considered the sugar-phosphate backbone of a DNA strand? Okay, so you have your picture here of two nucleotides together. Remember, all three of these parts create a nucleotide. Well, one of your cheat sheet images is in fact a nucleotide, this right here. So whenever we talk about how to label this image, your circle here, we put a P because that represents our phosphate. This pentagon represents our sugar. And then our rectangle right here represents our NB, our nitrogen base. Remember, our nitrogen bases are A, T, C, and G. So looking at our question, which components would be considered the sugar-phosphate backbone? Alright, well, even if you haven't heard that phrase before, sugar, if you remember that B is our sugar, phosphate is A. Looking at our answer choices, we have A and C. Well, that would be phosphate and nitrogen base. Nope. B and C, that would be sugar and our nitrogen base. Nope. A and B, A is our phosphate, B is our sugar. That looks right. And C is our nitrogen base only. Nope. Our best answer choice for this one would be C.